welcome back to my channel. Grab your coffee or your tea, and first I would like to remind you guys that you can get custom brushes and references from cubebrush.co and gumroad.com. Make sure they're Photoshop or whatever software that you're using. I work in Photoshop, so those are the kind of brushes that I get. And so let's jump into this. We're going to be looking at this reference as an example. This is about sketching. So in order to sketch this reference, here's the sketch right here. My method is looking at the reference in shapes, different shapes. The shadows have their own shape. The eyes, the shadows around the eye, these are shapes that you're trying to mimic so that you can get the likeness exactly right. There's a shape like right here. There are shapes like right here. And you got the shadow shape on the arm. And you also got the negative space right here. So these are shapes, and the way that I practice, I would do something like, I'm gonna take this off, and we have these shapes here. What you want to do is practice mimicking all kinds of shapes. When you can get that exactly right, then you'll be able to, like what I do in my paintings, you can paint in the shapes, the negative space and the shapes of the eye, the white of the eye, so that you can get the right proportions. So I would draw, and you would be able to get the angles exactly right the more you practice this. Getting different parts of the body and the features of the face as accurate as you can before going into painting. And once you get used to how to measure and get things exactly right, you can just paint without using the sketch. Like what I did with some of my paintings. So this is just one way of just sharpening your skills. If you just keep doing this every day, and I sketch every day, so I try to do like 1 minute sketches, references, and it just sharpens your mind and sharpens your brain. So I just want to give a little tip for this video on likeness and realism. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comments are welcome. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for future videos. And just let me know if you want me to talk about some other things that you're interested in. And yeah, guys, you have a good, wonderful week. You guys have a good one. Peace.